Lord, open our eyes, not just to see miracles, but to see you, not just to spot demons, but to discern truth, not just to build churches, but to become your bride. Blindness is more than the absence of sight. It's the absence of light, truth, and discernment. In John 9, Jesus heals a man born blind, not just to restore his vision, but to expose the blindness of those who claim to see. The miracle wasn't just physical, it was prophetic. It revealed how religion can become a veil, how pride can become a prison, and how truth, when spoken by the Word Himself, cuts through both. This message isn't just about healing eyes, it's about awakening hearts. Jesus didn't use conventional methods. He used mud and spit, symbols of creation and humility, to rebuild what was broken. The man's healing came through obedience, not understanding. And when questioned by religious leaders, his testimony was simple and unshakable. I was blind, but now I see. Today in the news, many mean-spirited news people are willing to attack the move of God. Biblical teaching on a critical spirit. Matthew 7 verses 1-5. Do not judge, or you too will be judged. Jesus warns against hypocritical judgment, urging us to remove the plank from our own eye before addressing the speck in another's. Romans 14 verse 10. Why do you judge your brother or sister? For we will all stand before God's judgment seat. This verse reminds us that judgment belongs to God, not us. Galatians 6 verses 1-2. Restore that person gently. Carry each other's burdens. Correction should come with gentleness and humility, not condemnation. Proverbs 11 verse 12. Whoever derides their neighbor has no sense, but the one who is understanding holds their tongue. Wisdom restrains criticism and promotes grace. What is a critical spirit? A critical spirit is a fault-finding, judgmental attitude that tears down rather than builds up. It often masquerades as discernment, but lacks love, humility, and restoration. It can divide communities, damage relationships, and hinder spiritual growth.